What is up, guys? Sonduren Fanarredha here. Today I'm going to be telling you why you shouldn't leave your car idling to warm up in the winter. One of the biggest misconceptions out there is that, if you turn on your car, you let it warm up in those negative 28 degrees Celsius temperatures in the winter, it's going to be better for your car. Not only you're going to be warmer, your car engine is going to be warmer, and you're going to be able to drive without worrying too much about engine wear. Well, unfortunately, that's completely wrong. There's two things that you need to think about when you're thinking about the engine and engine wear that's happening in cold starting conditions. Number one, think about your engine oil. When it's that cold at negative 20 degrees Celsius, your engine oil is extremely sluggish. It's very thick. It's not going to have the ability that it normally has in normal temperatures to actually get into your engine components and lubricate it properly. So that's a huge problem, number one. Number two, the fact is when your engine is that cold and you turn it on and it's idling, what the engine's actually doing is adding more gasoline into the cylinders to help promote that combustion, and that's actually stripping away some of that oil that's supposed to be there to lubricate the engine. So let's talk about the engine oil, number one. So the engine oil, regardless what engine oil you're using or the weight of it, they're all gonna be super thick, especially in those freezing temperatures. And if you're just leaving the car idle outside without actually driving it, it's going to take much longer for your car engine to warm up to normal operating temperature. And in that case, your oil is going to take much longer to warm up in normal operating temperatures. So what that means is that your engine is actually susceptible and you're exposing it to much longer cycles of wear. Think about it, the fact that now your engine is constantly running and the oil is not getting up to those components as fast. And this is actually the largest cause of engine wear that most people face. It's cold start conditions, especially during winter time. And that's why I always recommend a synthetic oil for anybody that has a daily driver, or if you're dealing with extreme temperature fluctuations from extreme highs to extreme lows. But extreme lows is really, really bad for your engine. So what you should actually be doing for your engine oil and for your car is when you go outside, turn on the car, spend 30 seconds to a minute removing all the ice, removing all the snow, all that stuff, get inside the car and start driving.
And now when you're driving, it's not just your engine trying to warm up. You have your transmission that's warming up. Your brakes are getting hotter. All of this is going to contribute to your engine warming up at a much faster speed than the engine just idling alone.
But you're probably saying, wait, if I start driving, the engine RPMs are going to go up. It's going to cause wear. Keep the RPMs low. You can drive for the first bit until you get your engine temperature up to normal. Drive at under 2000 RPM. Drive slowly, drive cautiously, just let everything warm up. But the car will definitely warm up much faster as long as you're in it and you're driving. Not only, number one, are you gonna make sure that your engine's protected much better than if you were just to start it and leave it idling in extremely freezing temperatures, number one. Number two, you're saving that money on wasted gas. So much people waste gas by keeping their car on for 10, 15, sometimes 20 minutes out in their driveway. It's burning gas, it's wearing out your engine, and you might be susceptible to theft. Somebody could come, I've seen it in the news, people leave their cars running in the driveway, and then somebody pulls out and takes their car and it's gone. So please make sure when you're actually driving your car in the winter, start it up, get in the car, drive slowly, wait till it actually warms up to engine operating temperature that's normal, and then you're good to go. I just wanted to give you guys that tip. Winter driving is coming for lots of us. My friends have asked me about this, so I just want to let you guys know. Keep your engine safe. Make sure you use a full synthetic oil. If you have an electric car like a Tesla, well, you win, and us suckers have to do it this way. If you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments about this, let me know in the comment box down below. There's a lot of things that you can actually do to make sure you protect your car in the winter. Keeping a good engine oil in your car is one of them, and making sure you know how to start your car and drive it in extremely cold temperatures is another. Thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next video.